Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0762 indicates a problem with the automatic transmission in the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017, specifically concerning the shift solenoid valve C being stuck in the on position. The shift solenoid valve is a crucial component that regulates hydraulic pressure to the clutch, allowing for smooth gear transitions. In this case, the valve fails to deactivate, resulting in improper gear ratio outputs monitored by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM utilizes data regarding input and output shaft speeds to determine the correct gear positions based on the driving conditions. When it detects a discrepancy caused by the solenoid valve malfunction, it logs the DTC as a failure. Addressing this code is essential for the proper functioning of the transmission, ensuring safe and efficient vehicle operation. DTC P0762 is triggered when the shift solenoid valve C is stuck in the on position. This valve is part of the automatic transmission system and is responsible for controlling hydraulic pressure to the clutch, specifically for gear shifts. The valve is physically located on the transmission housing and is controlled by an on-off signal from the PCM. A well-functioning solenoid is critical for applying and releasing line pressure needed to engage or disengage the lockup shift valve. If the valve remains activated, it fails to release, leading to incorrect gear shifting, which the PCM detects by monitoring the vehicle's gear position compared to what it expects based on the driving conditions. Understanding the role of each component involved helps in pinpointing the issue effectively. The potential causes of DTC P0762 include various issues related directly to the performance of shift solenoid valve C. The valve itself may be physically stuck, preventing it from shifting between on and off positions. Additionally, there could be faulty wiring or connectors leading to the solenoid, disrupting the PCM's ability to send the correct signals. Another possible cause is a malfunction within the PCM itself, which may misinterpret input shaft and output shaft speeds. Each of these issues can prevent the proper engagement and disengagement of clutches within the automatic transmission, leading to significant drivability concerns. It's important to check each potential cause systematically to identify the root problem responsible for the DTC. When DTC P0762 is present, you may notice several symptoms indicating a problem with the automatic transmission. First, improper gear shifts may occur, leading to a lack of engagement or erratic behavior during driving as the vehicle shifts inappropriately. Additionally, the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, will illuminate, indicating a need for diagnostic attention. The gear position indicator on the dashboard may also blink continuously, signifying that the system recognizes a fault. These symptoms contribute to an overall poor driving experience and highlight the importance of diagnosing and repairing the issue promptly to restore proper function to the transmission system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0762 requires starting the engine and manipulating the gear lever. Begin by starting the vehicle's engine to ensure the system is operational. With the brake pedal firmly pressed, shift the transmission into first gear. This action allows the PCM to evaluate the solenoid's response under load. Maintain brake pressure and shift into reverse gear, as this also tests the different operating functions of the transmission. It is crucial to observe if any abnormal behavior occurs during this process, as this may provide immediate insights into the solenoid's operation and whether it is indeed stuck in one position. Recording any unusual sounds or resistance in the gear shift will be useful for next steps. The second step of the troubleshooting process involves inspecting the wiring and connections associated with shift solenoid valve C. Carefully examine the harness for any visible signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion that could disrupt electrical continuity. It's equally important to check the connectors for a secure fit and ensure that no pins are bent or broken. After visual inspection, proceed to test the power and ground signals supplied to the solenoid valve with a multimeter. Proper voltage should be present. Any significant variations may indicate issues within the wiring or the PCM. If the solenoid appears damaged or unresponsive, it may be necessary to replace it to resolve the DTC. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0762, it is essential to verify the repair's success thoroughly. Start by clearing the DTCs using a scan tool, ensuring that the vehicle's system resets to monitor fresh data. Following the reset, perform a comprehensive road test to confirm that the transmission functions as expected, shifting smoothly with no errors. During the road test, pay close attention to whether the gear shifts are occurring without hesitation or abnormal behavior. After the road test, check the diagnostic system again to ensure that no DTCs, including P0762, have returned. This process confirms that the underlying issue has been addressed adequately. Preventive maintenance is crucial to keep the automatic transmission in optimal working condition and avoid issues like DTC P0762. Regular transmission fluid changes help maintain proper hydraulic function and extend the life of transmission components, including the solenoid valves. It's advisable to periodically inspect shift solenoid valves during maintenance to identify potential issues before they lead to malfunctions. Additionally, monitoring vehicle performance can help catch any early signs of transmission trouble, such as slipping gears or unusual noises. By staying proactive in maintaining your vehicle's transmission, you can significantly reduce the chances of encountering DTCs like P0762 and ensure smoother, more reliable operation. In conclusion, addressing DTC P0762 involves a careful examination of the shift solenoid valve C and its corresponding connectors within the transmission system of the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017. A systematic troubleshooting approach allows for effective identification and resolution of the issue. By understanding the role of the solenoid and monitoring gear shifts, technicians can diagnose whether the component is stuck or if another underlying problem exists. Regular maintenance plays a vital role in preventing such issues and ensuring optimal functionality of the vehicle. Awareness of these diagnostic processes can help vehicle owners and technicians mitigate future headaches, thus enhancing the driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.